Hi everyone, welcome to Rock Your Foundation. My name is Jody Stein. I am going to do another brow tutorial, but this one is using this soap brow. It's called Soap Brows, and I stumbled across it. I think I stumbled across it on Instagram or Facebook, somebody's makeup tutorial, and I was very curious about it. So I grabbed this soap brow little kit. It's from Makeup Revolution. I got it at Ulta. It comes with this little brush. It comes with the soap inside. I've already got this brow done. So I'm going to show you guys how I did it today on this brow. Hi Sue, how are you? Thanks for hopping on. I'm just going to quickly share this into my beauty group and to my personal page, and then I will show you guys. Yesterday I did it with a brow, with an eyeshadow. Today I did it with my brow pencil. I much prefer the brow pencil method, so I will show you guys exactly how I did it. Just give me 1 second here. So the purpose of the soap brows, it just gives you a more natural looking brow, and it gives you more hair-like strokes, if you will. And like I said, today I tried it with my brow pencil, and I really prefer the way it looks today over even over yesterday. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab either some tap water, rose water. I have setting spray in this little spray bottle. So I'm just going to spray this little brush. I'm going to spray it right on top on my towel here that I have on my lap. And then we're going to go right into this product, and I'm just going to kind of scrape. It's almost like a wax. It's like a soapy wax. Okay, and you're just going to get some on that little brush. And then what you're going to do is you're going to just start kind of working the hair backwards on your brow. And you guys can see I don't have much of a natural brow to work with. So that is why I said yesterday in my post, I feel like I'm always trying different things with my brows just to see what works best. So I feel like what this product is doing, it just makes the brow really tacky and sticky. And it really makes my natural hair just kind of stick straight up. Okay. So I'm just going to let that set for just a second, because you want it to harden just a little bit. You don't want to go right in with the brow product, because it will be too waxy. It'll be too waxy and it won't go through. Hi Brittany, thank you. It's old. I don't even remember where I got it. It was a boutique. I think it was from my friend Jackie's boutique, but I can't remember. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that set, but I want to show you guys. Look at how that looks. It looks super natural. It almost looks like I went and had my brow microbladed, which I've always been curious about doing, but I just can't pull the trigger on it because it's just, I don't want to spend that much money. I think like your first session is anywhere from $250 to $400, and then you have to upkeep them. And I'm like, my brow pencil cost me $19, and I know how to do my brows. So I feel like the only perk to having my brows microbladed would be to never have to fill them in again and wake up with my brows done. But I just can't pull the trigger on that price tag. Okay, so this should be set. All right, so now what you're going to do is you are going to you're going to first find where you need your starting point. So you're going to take your brow pencil and you're going to line it up against the side of your nose, and this is your starting point. And then you're going to go through the pupil of your eye. And again, since I've been doing my brows, I kind of know where my starting and stopping points are. And then you're going to take this to the edge of your eye. And that's going to be my stopping point, okay? So I am just going to do very light strokes to get that line across the bottom of my brow. Probably should have done my brows before my eyelashes. My mascara is like in the way. Okay, so I've got the line on the bottom. I'm now gonna take my brow pencil. We're gonna flip it this way. And I am just gonna do feather light upward strokes. Into that brow soap. Now this is a little bit different for me because I'm not even using like concealer to cut them out like I normally do. And I just really feel like it gives it a much more, like I said, much more natural look. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, but now that I'm at this part, I am gonna just take it on and draw that line down, but still just do light strokes. And just kind of make the arch, connect. Just connect it. So last week I actually got a product in the mail called Mad Love. It was like a brow stamp, but I have to say, as much as I like this, I think this is my new favorite, is this brow soap. I really like the looks of it. So now I'm just going through with my spoolie, and we're just kind of combing the product through, getting it all evened out. But yeah, I think I ordered this online when I ordered my hair. I needed some hair products, so I just ordered that on. I want to say this was like $5.99 or something like that. It's super inexpensive. All right, what do you guys think? So for my second time doing it, I definitely prefer the pencil over a shadow. And I think practice is just gonna make perfect. It's just gonna take a little bit of practice. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighting powder, and I'm just gonna pop that right here in the arch. Instead of using concealer, I'm just gonna take this, my highlighter that I have on my cheekbones. I'm just gonna pop that right here. Okay, so there is the soap brow. It's super easy. It will take a little bit more practice just to get the hang of it, but I like the results. So I'm gonna come in and just show you guys. So you see it just looks more natural. It looks like hair strokes. It looks like I have more of a natural full brow than what I actually have. So if you are just hopping on, make sure you catch the replay of this video and you can see what my natural brow actually looks like. I don't have a lot to work with. So what do you guys think? Is this something you would try? It's fun. It's fun to try new things. And I have to tell you, I wasn't a big fan of this the other day when I tried it on, but I'm wearing it today, and I think with my sweater and my eye makeup, I really like this color, and this color is called Lonesome. So I actually do like this color. Sometimes you just have to have a different makeup look on for something to kind of pop in a different way. I'll take this out. All right. All right, you guys, if you have any questions, let me know. If you learned something new in this video, just please share it with your friends. And I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Bye-bye.